Right, all for an overnighter on Motuihe with Simon and whoever wants to join us. What's it now? 10 o'clock about. Busy packing. So here, tent, sleeping bag, what do you call it? Mattress, chair, and the bag over here. Stove, all a matter of things. It'll be fun. Yeah, parking wasn't too bad. There was about 5 or 6 places open, so it's not too bad. 1 o'clock, but the weather is turning to shit. Well, not turning to shit, but just a little bit grumpy. But I think it's going to clear up by tonight, so I'm on my way now to Motuihe for an overnighter with Simon McGrath. And yeah, this is Takapuna. Absolutely lovely. Not a lot of people on the beach, have to admit. I'm going to take an easy ride over to Motuihe, because strictly speaking I only need to be there about 3 o'clock, and it's now what, 1:05. So I've got a while. Okay, till later. Ciao. Isn't this just absolutely brilliant? This is just on the other side of that little hill, and it's much calmer here. Watch that, that's much better, much calmer. Phew. Okay, there we go. So that's there. Before and after shot. All set up. Woohoo! There's some shit in the jet ski still, which I've got to go and get. Simon's tent. First put it up wrong, but I've never done it before, so it's alright. This one at least. Alright, it's low tide. And we beached like a whale, but it's okay. We just have to remember tomorrow to, what's the time now? It's 7ish, I suppose, 6ish, 5ish. So by 7 o'clock tomorrow it'll be fine. From the top of Motuihe, there's the city. Over there. Motuihe. Wait, what did I say? Motuihe. And fucking there it is, ringing. Fucking a bit of a walk up here. Let's see. Oh, look at that. You see, so this is what this machine does. Oh well. Yeah. But only between 1 and 2 times, you know. So. Motuihe looking out over towards Waiheke. And Waiheke is sleeping tonight. There is fuck all happening there. There's pure video. Light up, it's for nighttime shooting, and it lights it really up like that. Amazing, eh?
It's like 7 o'clock. Look, it looks like a sunset still there.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Good camera, right?
And you can say, cheers. I'm having coffee.
Yep.
And I'm having, what's it called? Where's my croissant? There we go. So let's have a look at this. Trying to carry everything in one hand. My coffee and my croissant with ham. That's for breakfast today. And there's Simon making his second cup of coffee. It takes a fucking long time. Morning. The day visitors coming in. It was a lovely night. Out on the water now, packed, ready to go. A little bit of the sun, but it's behind me. It's Auckland, and I'm on my way. Great food, great overnight, fantastic. Do it again, bye. Oh, it was a great evening out, Motuihe. Back at Takapuna. And loaded and ready to go home. There we go. Okay, this is final. Ciao.